Welcome. This is an unboxing of some box cocktails that I received today. How exciting. Here's the first one, designed to fit through the letterbox, as you can see. I believe this is called cocktail, but spelt in a millennial friendly way. You'll see very shortly. Cocktail. Right. Move this knife out of the way. This, I believe, is a mixed box. You could specify whether you want dark or light cocktails, and I said I'd like a mix of light and dark cocktails. Let's have a look. Very nicely packaged. 4 bottles, glass bottles, 100 mils each. This one's called Lovebird. Let's have a look. Lovebird, you can see the colour. You can see the particles in here, but they haven't settled or separated, which is one concern. This is a rhubarb and cucumber fizz, so I'm expecting this to be carbonated. They've got the ABV. So this is 25% ABV, 13% ABV. Like a wine, 22% ABV. So this is a rose and hibiscus margarita. Sounds nice. Again, don't know if you can see that in the camera, but I'm wondering, because it looks quite gloopy. See the particles moving in there. I'm wondering if they used a stabilizer of some kind. And a boozy cocktail. You can see it's very clear. Cherry Cola Cube Old Fashioned. That's 25% ABV. Well, interestingly, they don't say ABV. Just as 25%. Again, I'm wondering, in order to say ABV, it might need to go away to a lab to get tested. One for the nerds to check up. Then we've got cute little how it's made to serve little cards. It's all really cute. All small, nice, dainty little packaging. It's got these foil sort of sachets for garnish. Candied papaya. Sounds nice. Pink Himalayan salt, so it's really sort of going after premium sounding garnishes. Dehydrated lemon, yeah, let's see how it looks. This is an unboxing, so I'm not gonna open any up right now, but yeah, very nice unboxing experience. It does say here actually, due to beautiful fresh ingredients we use, sediment may appear in a bottle. Don't worry, it's all natural and extremely delicious. Simply shake it up. So yeah, we need to definitely state that kind of disclaimer, because yeah, people don't like seeing cocktails separating, bits floating about, floaters. It's something we need to educate. This looks like a cock, by the way. I don't know why. I'll take that away. Cock and balls. Someone's probably having a laugh with that. Definitely someone's having a laugh with that. Anyway, that is cocktail. Right, next one. Glass with care. Feels quite heavy. Can hear it sloshing about. Let's have a look. Who's this from? Oh, this is from Hawksmoor. Okay, let's get into it. Beef and Liberty. Cocktails. Oh, this way. Well, I don't know about that. I want it to be the other way around. Oh, Liberty, beef, and. Yeah, the label is the wrong way around now. Look, you want it the other way around, because now I'm going to do this. Right, you got some grease proof going. Definitely very nice grease proof there. You got some shavings, and the bottles are upside down. I think that's an oversight from them. In terms of unboxing experience, I felt it should have been that way around. Beef and Liberty. Open, and then these nicely all label facing forward. There are holes in here to hold them, and there are dividers. Let's see. Like, that is shabby. But in terms of the actual bottles, they're 200ml bottles, nice wooden cap with a seal. It's martini. This is an old-fashioned, don't know if you can see that, sediment or separation. They all got sort of like a certain style to them. I'd say they are going for a, is that a Prohibition era style? I don't know, 20s, 30s. So they've got the ABV, 24% ABV, 27, 20, 19% ABV. Keep refrigerated, pour over ice, got instructions directly on the bottle. In terms of any further instructions, there's no other instructions, no little cards. It's just the bottle. But very nicely packaged. It was packaged up correctly, and it was all facing forward. I would have unboxing experience. This again, another nondescript cardboard box. This is the World of Zing. Transition to our overhead camera. World of Zing. Packing slip. It always feels really official and like warehousey. Like let's not greet the guest with a bill or just a packing list. Or maybe you do, because they want to check the content. Anyway, I think you just want to make this less formal. It's a very formal document. What are these? So here we have strange sleeve. So this is called Flexi Hex. Okay. So far this third one, unboxing experience. Yeah, it just feels like this has come from straight from the warehouse, from the depot, from Amazon. And not presented in a particular way. I can see that there's some stickiness on the bottle. Bottle isn't like nice and shiny. The bottle itself, 250 ml, so the largest bottle so far out of all of them. So this is a Negroni. This label goes almost all the way around, whereas the other labels were just on one side or half the bottle. This allows you to have like a nice front face, and then like as you would on the back of the label, sort of more of a detailed information from ABV. These have got barcodes, and I think these may be actually stocked on supermarket shelves by the looks of the labeling. Yeah, very professional in terms of very retail supermarket kind of labeling. This is a pineapple and ginger mojito, and it's got lots of bits in there, lots. Like I'm saying, it looks a bit unappetizing. So when I do the serves of these, we'll see how they come out. But there's like a massive chunk in this one. Smoked hibiscus margarita and smoked Negroni. So that's World of Zing. I can feel there's 2 boxes in here. Ooh, I got a little glimpse of nice foil sticker. Can you guess who this is? Just by the design. Looks like I bought 2 packs from them. 2 plain boxes, and it's only now when I turn it, what feels like it's well, it feels like that's way it's upside down. That feels the right way around but we'll see in a second. Art Deco sort of pattern, and if you can make out the little speakeasy at home, I think it's that bird is an amalgamation of swift, oriole and nightjar. You see what I did there? Just made it one mutant bird. Anyway, the way it's been labelled, you want to open it this way. So I'm going to open it this way. Speakeasy on the top. Experience, right. Okay, so we're starting off with just plain blue tissue paper. A missed opportunity, I feel there. If you're nightjar and you've come up with a nice Art Deco design there, you want to see that reflected on the greaseproof or tissue paper, don't you really? Right, but anyway, this is lovely. So, Swift, Oriole, Nightjar, drinks coasters, so you can absolutely 100% recreate that kind of experience when you're there, but they're lovely. Some cute little postcards. That's just a That is literally just a bit of artwork. Nothing on there, a bit of artwork for you to scribble on. I don't know, you can't send that in a post really. And this is welcome to home speakeasy. There's a QR code here. Let's see. This takes you to, so playlists. So you've got playlists, sign up to their newsletter. It says, please see the website for serving suggestions. This went straight, let me do this again. This went straight to welcome to the Speakeasy at Home playlist. Listen here, I'm not gonna listen here. I wanna know, yeah, I think they're not taking me directly. Speakeasy Cocktail Club, let's try that. Yeah, I'm lost now. Where am I going? I might tell Edmund about that. So that's the QR code. And of course you've been to Nightjar Ale. They use their playing card as their menu kind of system, and that's just reflected in the packaging. These are pouches. From memory, you can get bottled ones, but you have to order the larger serve. This is a 220 ml pouch with a picture of what it should look like in the bar, but hey, are you going to be able to do that? I feel this is a spicy margarita. That's not the best colour, I would say. It's not very appetizing, but it probably tastes kick-ass. 3 pouches for that box. Same deal. Same deal. We got lychee Collins. Yeah, they're not wiping this down properly after they prepare it. A bit sticky. This is a Monchito Colada, barrel aged zombie. Yeah, so if I were to scan the QR code, I would not find the instructions easily. And how many do you think you make out of that? Anyway, last box. Whoa. Last box, quite heavy. It looks like it's been wrapped in wallpaper. I feel like past the parcel. This is probably from the bar group, Little Nans. You know Little Nans, they're like EastEnders theme, maximalist, all kitsch. I'm guessing this is trying to be kitsch wallpaper. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Whole load. Here we go. So, what have we got here? We've got jam jars in Ziploc bags, hand labelled. It says booze. Doesn't say what kind of booze, it just says booze. This one says lemon lime juice and passion fruit puree. Again, handwritten. No date labels. I'm guessing both booze are of the same type because it doesn't distinguish what type of booze or if they're the same or different. Ginger ale, party, oh, this is awful. Rubicon, Love Hearts. This bottle says 35 ml on it and it's empty. There's plastic Diamante. They just put some random glittery things probably in that. There's another layer here. It continues. Party hats, masks, loads of sweets. Fucking shit that doesn't work. Bubbles. Oh, those things you chuck on the mirror and they just all bubble down. And you got to be kidding me. Drumsticks. Is that Frutella? Chewits. Yeah, man. Like tiara. This really rubbery ball. I think it's a bouncy ball. Super. I dread think what that is and whether you can drink it or not because it's cold but not frozen. Yeah. Sherbet dib dabs. So it's a nostalgia box. Oh, I might eat this one actually. Early. Right. With chocolate in my mouth. I think that's it. Tune in for the next video where I taste every single one of these. Yeah.